half-court heave ni Val David which iced the ball game 83-81 sa pabor ng koponan ng Gordon's Gin. What an
And this is going to probably be the best player of the game. Oh, Val David with a... Meron pa. Ito, makikita niyo, tiniyempohan niya si Gilda Pumaren. Ayun ang lapik, malinis talaga. What a steal by Val David. And that was the second time.
Iiwasan niya, isa, dalawa, pangatlo, si David ng kanyang dribbling prowess. Yung move, yung around.
Because he's the man of the hour here for Coach Robert Jaworski. And here he comes again. Oh boy, Val David once more.
Here plus a bonus free throw. Well, what's happening right now is they're causing...
Napanoorin natin itong galaw ni The Flash. At talaga namang sobrang bilis.
Ito sa bubong, naghahanap ng malulundagan eh. Hala, hiki!
Wide open lane, although yan yung sinasabi natin ng maturity.
Here's that layup earlier.
And Val David is gone. He is gone!
Patong ng ulo. Yan ang play na tinawag ni Val David. May technical foul free throw. Magkala si Val David nasa pagdali na pumasok at tira. May foul pa. Nagmula kay...
Taking it in the face of Johnny Abarientos.
Swap.
Pensa ni Jeffrey Cariaso, for instance, on Fred Cofield. At si
He's gone.
man, a rookie, showing tremendous poise here with hardly any time left and now no time left.
Val David. Wow, what an angle to work with!
Look at him, he's ready to pass off here. Narinig ko yung initial, hindi ko yung pass off.